Neurodivergent Big Book of Terms. Part 4. Hyperactivity type is one of the ADHD subtypes. Hyperactivity can present in physical and mental symptoms. Hyperactive traits include fidgeting and other sensory-seeking behaviors, interrupting others when they talk or finishing their sentences for them, impulsive actions, and thrill-seeking behavior, with a reduced sense of danger, having many ideas and blurting them out. Hyperfixation is a term often used in the context of neurodivergent individuals, particularly autistics and ADHDers. It refers to an intense and prolonged focus on a particular subject, topic, or activity, often at the price of excluding everything else. Inattentive is one of the ADHD subtypes, also known as the distracted type. Inattentive traits include daydreaming, forgetfulness, not remembering the question while answering, forgetting things at home, following instructions with multiple subtasks, and difficulty focusing on a task that's not engaging enough. Combination ADHD, when one have both hyperactive and inattentive characteristics. Time blindness is when it's tough to grasp the passing of time. It usually means you under or overestimate the time a project will take. It makes it tricky to manage schedules, deadlines, and planning. It can lead to procrastination, forgetfulness, and feeling overwhelmed or rushed. Transitions, in the context of neurodiversity, refers to the process of moving from one state, activity, or place to another. It involves a shift in attention, focus, and cognitive resources. For neurodivergent individuals, it may require additional time, support, and strategies to manage effectively. Can encompass a wide range of changes, from minor daily shifts like moving from one task to another, to major life changes such as transitioning from school to work or from living at home to independent living. Waiting mode is a psychological state characterized by heightened anticipation or anxiety while awaiting a specific outcome or event. In the neurodivergent, especially ADHD community, it usually means the period before an event that needs focus or attention spent in a sort of paralyzing waiting mode, not being able to do little else until the event is over. Working memory is one of the executive functions. It is our mental scratch pad, where we temporarily hold and play with info to help with tasks like problem solving and learning. It's key for everyday stuff but has limited space, so juggling too much can be tough, especially for people with ADHD. Object permanence. The ability to understand that things exist, even when they can't be seen. It typically emerges around the ages of 6 to 9 months. People with ADHD don't actually have problems with object permanence. They know objects continue to exist, but they may not actively remember them, or people without some reminder.